going on, YouTube? It's your boy Fierce to just bring guys a brand new video. I know this is a weird way to start off of today's video, but today we're actually going to Illinois, and we are actually going to a performance shop. We're actually gonna finally get the oil pump gears and the crank sprocket done on the 5.0. So this is just for later on. If you guys already know what I'm talking about and know a bunch about this Coyote motor, you should know what I'm going to do pretty soon. But I'm not going to spoil it. I'm going to just write it out, and you guys will be able to see that whenever I upload that to the channel. So we have about, I'm not sure, my phone's over here, but the last time I checked, let me see, what time is it? 12:25. So GPS says we'll be there around 1:20. The shop has already closed. All right, they closed at 12, but let's see if the owner or whoever I'm meeting with stays late enough for me to be able to drop off the car to them instead of me using the drop box at their facility. So I'll continue recording once we arrive at the shop, guys. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, because next year this Mustang is gonna be one badass 5.0. But I'll continue this video once we get to the shop. Alright guys, so when we're on our way to the shop, obviously I'm driving the Mustang, and the Mustang got my Instagram and all that stickers on the side window. So we're driving, and then some guy adds me. Oh, shout out to you if you're watching the video, but that was I think like a Chevy RST Silverado truck, I think it was, black. So if you're watching the video, bro, shout out to you. I'm just seeing this now, so. Alright guys, just got back from dropping off the Mustang. It is getting oil pump gears and a crank sprocket done. So today, it's not gonna get worked on today, but it'll probably be done by like Monday or Tuesday, and then we'll pick it back up and continue this video. I asked them if they could provide us with video and pictures. So let's see if they can get that done for me. And yeah, we'll see how the outcome is with everything, and we'll see how the old oil pump gears compared to the new ones. I mean, you won't really compare just because I haven't really I didn't really show you guys the new ones. I didn't unbox them or anything, but I had them. They're from Boundary, so those are the oil pump gears to get. So we'll see what goes on next week with the car. So yeah, we'll continue this video once I get a call back from them, and then we can go pick up the Mustang.
Okay. Here we go. So some of the cars we got here. So that's a twin turbo Hellion kit. That one has 3 levels of performance: 93 or 85. 93, it makes just under 700 horse. And 75. That's pretty much a standard to 67 Mustang. It's got a Holly Sniper kit on it, fuel injected. It's just a cruiser. It's an older lady that just likes to go to car shows and stuff. Sweet. Fox body over there, 363 Holly, Vortex supercharged. Makes about 650 of the tires. Runs high 9. It's a daily. It's not a race car. Okay. Then the one we got over here, he just dropped the, oh, it was just here for an overheating problem. Oh. That's all wrong with it. Somebody swapped out the thermostat and they forgot to burp the cooling system. So he, at low speeds, he kept getting a cylinder head temperature thing. So honestly, that was a $100 problem between just burping the system, changing out the thermostat because they installed it and it got cocked in there sideways. And if you look over here in the back, that so that Cobra, the 03 Cobra down there, that's making close to 800 horse, but he snapped the crankshaft off on it. He installed his own harmonic balancer, and I believe that they didn't have it on correctly. Yeah. And it was kind of wobbling, and then finally it snapped the crank off, so that motor's out being fixed. And that little 3 valve there is actually a nasty little sucker. That thing makes 680 at the tires. We put that together about 6 years ago, and the guy's been driving it. Then he sold to another guy. He was driving the wheels off it, and then he decided to sell it to his cousin. Well, his cousin over-revved it, and all the valves ran into the pistons. So the motor's out of that one. Getting fixed.
Oh, so, coyote swap coming.
Yeah. So we do you know, we stay busy.
Yeah.
So and it's all Mustangs. So it helps us. You know, we can usually solve the problem pretty quick because if you know, I don't care if you're digging ditches or building decks on the backs of houses. You do the same thing every day, you're going to get good at it. So we've been doing this for 20 years. So guy pulls in and he's got a problem. Between the 3 of us, it's like, oh yeah, I know what that was. We had a guy in here 6 months ago, same thing. Boom, 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 it's fixed. So, and then you can stand behind it because you're super confident that the problem's solved. So.
Right. Okay.
It's the best way to do it.
Yeah, that is. Well, wow, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah. Well, let me know when it comes in if we can help you out. I'd be glad to.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you too.
I'm gonna go stay warm. All right.
All right.
I'll see you, bud.
See ya. Thank you. All right, guys. So finally got the Mustang back. It's been about a day or so. This is Dyno Tune. I'll post a picture up on the screen. They do a lot of stuff. So you guys see, they got Hellcats here. Sorry for my shivering because I'm cold. But see, they got Hellcats. I think this might just be a scat pack unless it's debadged. They got Trackhawks. They do Mustangs. This building's for the Mustangs. This one's for the Dodge. So on my car, we just did oil pump gears and a crank sprocket billet, all from Boundary, guys. So we gotta get this thing started up, and then we're gonna head our way back home. We got an 1.5-hour drive back home. Check out this guy. LOL, mile per gallon. I felt that one. Alright, so we're gonna get this cold start on the Mustang, guys, and shout out to Dyno Tune MP. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Like I said, I'll link it down below, and I'll post a picture of their Facebook page. Alright guys, so like I said, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, there was a lot of wind and I'm using this mic on my camera, and I know this mic doesn't really work that well, but like I said before, we did oil pump gears and crank sprocket on the 5.0. So we got that done, and like I said, if you guys know a lot about these motors, then you know that once you upgrade those things, or once you start thinking about upgrading those things, you are pretty much ready for boost. So maybe that might be my next step. I'm not too sure yet, but you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on all notifications to the channel so you guys don't miss any videos, and maybe I'll go boost. You just gotta find out. You gotta stay intact with the channel, guys, and find out. But as you guys see, we got the 5.0 back, we got our oil pump gears installed, and now I gotta drive an hour and so back home.